Let's go Nepali Momo. Nepali Momo. You said it's 10, right? If it's not 10, then you have to pay for me. But if it's 10, I will pay for you. Okay? Yeah, here they have Momo, guys. Yeah, I think I have to try it here. Yes. Let's just have some Momo. You see, guys, everywhere you go, you will find Momo. Like this is just all around here. And literally, like in every restaurant, whether big or small, we have Momo. And you see this big pot, this is where they're boiling. They have the Momo. I can't wait. Let me wait and show you. Hi, how are you? This Momo show. Wow, big Momo. How much is one plate for
80
one?
rupees.
80 rupees. Okay. Want to show me? Just open. Okay. Get me one plate, okay?
Take away idea.
Yeah, let's see. Anyway. Hi. Why are you laughing? How is the Momo? You rate it for me. You rate it for me. It's gonna be my first time to try it. Is it nice? Really? What is nice there? Oh, I got mine here.
Sauce?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. No chili. I don't like chili. You said it's nice. Out of 10, how many rate you will give it from 1 to 10? 10. Oh, you mean it's delicious. Wow, they are rating it 10, guys. I can't wait. Let me just check mine alone. This is actually which Momo is this one? Chicken? Oh, buffalo, right? Okay. This is buffalo Momo because they usually have like chicken also. Yeah, so let's have it, guys. They add some soupy on it, guys. And this one here they gave like, yeah, this is spicy one. You said it's 10, right? If it's not 10, then you have to pay for me. But if it's 10, I will pay for you. Okay? I'm just kidding, okay? Don't worry. Let's have the first bite. Wait, let me show you guys. Let me just open. Why is this Momo running? It's running because this is buffalo meat, guys. Buffalo meat. And yeah, another taste. Wait a minute, okay? Don't rush. Like the buffalo, the meat inside, guys, it's well cooked, it's tasty, the meat. I'm talking of the meat, okay? And it's little bit small, okay? Small. Compared to what I ate in budhnath, guys. In budhnath, that one is so big, like it's bigger. Like I can say it's equivalent to thrice of this. Equivalent to thrice of this. But the taste is nice, and the soup, I don't know how they made this soup like that. How they made this soup, guys. It's from what they made it. It's so nice. Like I can easily consume. It's little bit spicy. The soup is little bit spicy, not that spicy, but has that little bit spicy taste. But you can easily consume it. Like it's nice, honestly. But they say it is 10. I can say no, it's not 10. I can say 8.5 because I still believe that there is better than this that I can find in Nepal, guys. Because I just knew that Nepal, they are everywhere you can find Momo. So meaning that if I go to any best place, obviously I will find the best one.